Jasprit Bumrah will most likely not be leading India in the upcoming Test series in England. And it's not because he is not captain material. In fact, the selectors were seriously considering him. He's calm, he's tactical, he commands respect in the dressing room, and has already shown what he's capable of as a leader. But in the end, it's the body that is keeping him out of the captaincy race. Bumrah was very much in the frame until the series schedule came into play. The five-match series is intense, and managing fast bowlers, especially someone with Bumrah's injury history, is never straightforward. Had he been fit enough to play at least four out of the five test matches, the selectors might have backed him as the captain. But the way that the fixtures are lined up, it just does not look realistic for Bumrah to take up the captaincy role. The first test kicks off on June 20th in Leeds, and there's a full week before the second one in Birmingham that starts on July 2nd. That gap helps, and Bumrah is likely to play both of these games. But things get really tight after that. The third test begins on July 10th, and if the second test goes on the full 5 days, that leaves Bumrah with just 2 days to recover. Now, that's a huge risk for a pace bowler coming off of a serious back injury. That kind of turnaround could do more harm than good. There's a longer break before the fourth test in Manchester. He's expected to return for that. But again, the fifth test starts just 3 days after that in London, and it'll all come down to how his body feels after the Manchester test. So when you look at it, Bumrah might only be available for three out of the five test matches that are being played. And that's where the problem lies. The selectors want a captain who can play every single match, and it's not just about the India versus England series. They are thinking long term. They want someone who can lead India throughout the World Test Championship cycle, all the way through 2027. That consistency is a non-negotiable, let's say, condition for the captaincy role. That's why Shubman Gill has emerged as the front runner. He is young, he is composed, and he has a calm head on his shoulders. He is seen as someone who can grow into the role, while KL Rahul and Rishabh Pant are also in consideration. But at this point in time, Shubman Gill seems to have the edge at the moment. Virat Kohli is not being considered at the moment, not because of form or leadership ability, but simply because the focus is now on the future. The selectors are looking to build someone stable, a leadership core that can stay intact over the next few years. So while Bumrah will still be India's leading bowler, the official captaincy is likely headed somewhere else right now, towards a fresh, a young face with an eye on the long game.